Welcome back to the WooCommerce series. This is a follow-up video on installing and setting up WooCommerce, and I have put links to all the series in the description down below. So in this video, I will show you how to add your first product in WooCommerce, and we are going to look at how to add a simple product. So if you want to know how to add a simple product, stick up to the end of this video and I'll show you how. This is Swadik here at Dikupages web, where I do website tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple product. I've already logged into my website, and I'll head over to Products, Add New. Add New Product, that is product title. So I'll say Sports Watch. Then product description. In here, I'll go and grab some dummy text. So dummy contents. I'll just go in for this one. I'll go down and grab this. Right click, copy, go back to my website, right click, paste. Maybe I can make a paragraph here. Beautiful. So I'll go down. Product data. I am adding a simple product, so I won't do anything here. However, you can drop down the arrow to see all the variations we have. So in here, it's not going to be a virtual product or a downloadable product, so I won't do anything here. Then regular price. This is the price at which you want to sell your product. So I'll enter 15.99. My price is going to be in pounds, but I can change it later. Now, sale price, we don't want to put sale price. Then I will just go and click on publish. My product has been published, so I'll just right click, open in a new tab to view the product. So this is how the product will display. So in here is the image of the product, which I have not added yet, and then the name of the product, the price, and then you can choose the quantity you want to buy, then add to cart. Going down below is the description, and you can also make a review on the product. Let me go back and add some other features. So I'll go back to edit product. So now I want to include sale price. Assuming I want to reduce the price of my product, maybe I'm running a promotion, but I still want my customers to know that this is the regular price. So I will now put in the sale price here. So I'll say 10.99. And then you can schedule it. You can choose the date from which this price will be starting to be in effect. And then you can also choose the date it will end. But if you want this price to run for a very long time, perhaps you don't need to choose the date from or the date to. So I'll update. I'll go back and refresh my product page. And then you see that the 16 has been crossed, and then I now have 11. One thing I've realized is that instead of 15.99, you see that the price is 16. And then instead of 10.99, the price is 11. WooCommerce is just rounding up my values for me, but I can still change it under WooCommerce settings. We'll talk about that later. So I'll go back to edit product. Now going down, you can go to inventory, and then you can give your product an SKU number, that is stock keeping unit. Stock keeping unit is just an identifier for your product. So I'll say 0001. And then do you want to manage stock? So I'll say I want to manage stock. Now stock quantity. If this is a variable product, This value will be used to control your stock for all variations, unless of course you want to define stock at variation level. And then allow back orders. You see that I have do not allow. With this, assuming I ran out of stock, my customers can still make orders if I choose allow but notify customer or just allow. Allow but notify customer means the customer will be notified that the product is not in stock now, but I can make room for delivery at a later date. Or you can just go in for allow. So I want to do that. Low stock threshold. So if I put in a quantity here like 10, then it means that when I have a remainder of 10 products, the system should alert me that I have 10 products left so that I can make room for new orders for my shop. Then you can also decide to say that I want to sell this product individually. So let me go to my product page. You see that in here I can increase the quantity or I can reduce. But when this is checked and I update, customers will not be able to buy more than one product. So let me go and refresh my page. And you see that there is no room for increasing the quantity or changing the quantity. I'll go back to edit product. Then inventory. I want to uncheck this. I don't need it. Next is shipping. And we'll talk about shipping later. Link products. In here you can have upsells and cross sells, but we have only one product now, so there's no need for upsells or cross sells. I'll show you how to work with upsells and cross sells in the upcoming series. Attributes. I'll also show you how to use attributes when we are going to create a variable product. Then advanced. So in here you can include a purchase note. So I'll say thank you for your order. Very soon you will get your sports watch. The menu order. This one will enable your cart to order the products your customers will be buying. Assuming they were to pick more than one product, it will just come in an orderly form. That is depending upon the number you put in here. And then get more options. I leave it as it is. Now product short description. If you come here, usually you see some short description about the product before the main description. So you can put that description in here. So I'll say this is a quality sports watch that can last for years. Okay, so that is that. And then I update. I'll refresh my product page, and then you now see the short description in here. Now my customers will know that this is a sports watch I am selling, but they cannot get view of that watch. So I want to make them see the watch before they make a purchase. So I'll go back to edit product. Then I'll go down to product image, set product image, upload files, select files, show all files. So I'll go to the location of my files. Okay, so I'll choose this one, open. So in here, you may want to put the alt text. This is very good for search engine optimization. So I'll say sports watch, and I'll copy it, put it here. You can also put it in here as well. Then set product image. So I'll go up, update. I'll refresh my page. And then you now see the product. And then you can click on the lens icon here to have a view of the product. Okay, now I want to add more images for this very product, so I'll go back to edit product, then I'll scroll down to product gallery. So add product gallery images, upload files, select files, show all files. Then in here I can just grab the whole of this minus this. I've already inserted this, so open. These are just some images I've pulled out from my dropshipping website. So it's still uploading. You patiently have to wait for it to finish uploading before you add to gallery. Okay, add to gallery. And then in here, you can rearrange them depending upon the one you want to appear first. Okay. And I go up, update. Go back to my page, refresh. Then I will now have the different colors of my products. I can click on any of them to see how it will look. Okay, now if you look up here, I have some breadcrumbs where I see home, shop, uncategorized, and sports watch, meaning my product is not categorized. So I have to make room for category for this particular product, and it can also be displayed in here. So if I were to click on uncategorized from here or here, it will take me to all the products that are uncategorized. You see that? So I'll click on it to go back to the page. And now I want to create a category for all my products I'll be adding in my shop. So I'll go back to edit product, scroll down to categories, then add new category. So I'll say watches. Under parent category, you can drop down the arrow if assuming you want to add watches to a particular category which is already existing. You just choose that from the list here. But I want watches to be a parent category, so I don't choose parent for it. Add new category. So it has been added. Update. So I'll go and check my page, refresh, and now I have watches as part of the categories. But I can still see uncategorized. Let me take care of it. Go back to edit product and check it from here, and then update. Then I go and refresh my page again, and now I see only watches and then watches in here. WooCommerce is so beautiful in such a way that when you install it, it will give you a shop page. So let me go there, and this is how the product will look like on the shop page. So my customers can click on it and then increase the quantity and then add to cart. View carts. Then you see a summary of the cart. Proceed to checkout. So on this billing page, you enter your billing details and then proceed to place order. However, I don't have any payment gateway available as yet. We'll do that in later tutorials. So this is how we add simple products to our WooCommerce shop. I hope you found value. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and we'll talk soon.